Greetings everyone and welcome back to Sparkling Canvas. Today we will showcase one of the best flea markets along the garden route of South Africa. These flea markets are nestled in the beautiful Sedgefield province. Regarding accessibility, Sedgefield is conveniently located, being 20 to 30 minutes away from Wilderness and Knysna if you are placed amongst one of these locations. If someone wishes to drop in from George or Plate, which is Platenburg, then a 52-1 drive will lead to this beautiful flea market. Coming down to day and time of your visit, undoubtedly Saturday between 8 a.m. in the morning till 12:30 p.m. in the afternoon is the right bet. Now let us delve into the details of this Sedgefield flea markets. This flea zone is home to 3 renowned flea markets, as can be seen on the screen. In one corner, there is famous Wild Oats Farmers Community Market, representing the rich South African farming culture. In the opposite corner, you will find the pretty interesting and vibrant Scarab Market, and in the center, there is the Mosaic Village flea. To begin, the Wild Oats Farmers Market on the edge of the flea belt offers an abundance of homegrown organic produce. You can find a host of fresh vegetables, fruits and detox beverages. Additionally, you can also pick some exotic flowers, kitchen garden plants and forest source goods. The setting definitely evokes the charming ambience of a rustic country farm stall. So if you are a fan of all things green, then this is the place to unwind your perfect Saturday morning with your drink and a morning meal in the open air food court. Next, we hopped in to the Scarab Flea Market, which is on the opposite edge of the flea belt. Looking at the charm and warmth, this gives us an immediate image of an ideal flea market. This market showcases an array of handcrafted, bespoke and unique art pieces, right from wooden to metal, paintings to apparels and jewelry, or maybe grabbing a piping hot chipsticks while taking a look at the stalls. This is hands down the best flea. At the center, you will find the red roof, an assembly point that provides a 360-degree view of the stalls, allowing you to enjoy your food and drinks while figuring out what to carry as souvenirs on your way back to home. Remember, all the art pieces are reasonably priced, not very exorbitant, and give a cheer to the talented artist for putting their heart out. And finally, we stumble upon the Mosaic Village flea. This is right in the center of Wild Oats Market and Scarab Art Market. We enjoyed the open air food court, the Sedgefield craft beers in fact, and a wide choices of beverage including boba. Good part is that there is a very well maintained restroom. Also, you will find in the Scarab Market and this Mosaic Village a very well laid down kids play area. So nothing to worry, just enjoy the surroundings while watching them play happily. So to us, if someone is planning or is already on the garden route, hands down these 3 markets is a must on a final Saturday morning while crossing the Sedgefield province. If anyone has anything to ask, please feel free to reach out. We will be happy to help. With this, signing off, Sparkling Canvas.